Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a map from Google Maps into your design using Canva. This is a great way to show locations or directions in presentations, posters, or invitations. We will walk you through each step so it's easy to follow. Let's get started. On your Google Maps dashboard, we find the map we want to use. For example, let's take this pin here. Now, we will take a screenshot of it. Let's capture these details here. Once we have the screenshot, we click the share button and then copy the link. Now that we have the link copied, let's head over to Canva. We'll create a new project and upload our presentation or image. Let's upload it now. We'll go to our screenshots and find the one we just took. Once we're here, click Create Design. Now we'll add an element to the design. Let's add a pin or button element. We'll search for something that fits well. Let's try a location pin and see what's available. We'll use a free option from the results. Let's place it on the design and resize it as needed. Once that's done, click the element and then click the three dots. Select Link. Here, we'll paste the link we copied from Google Maps. Now, click Done to confirm. Once that's set, go ahead and save your design. Now, when someone clicks the element, they will be taken straight to the Google Maps location we screenshotted. And that's it. We have successfully added a Google Maps location to a Canva design. Now the project can clearly show locations and directions for your audience.